Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel. So unfortunately this has broken off. I was at the store, and so what we are going to do, we're just going to super glue it like that, and I'll show you how I did it last time, and hopefully it works again. First thing you want to do is get some alcohol and just clean that off. That should be good. We're gonna clean this part off too. You just want it so that the super glue will shake it to dry it off. Give it about 10-15 seconds. This is what I used last time, so we're gonna use this again this time. All I'm gonna do is put some on that right there, and then put some of this on that, and then we're just gonna stick it on, hold it in place. So it's supposed to, okay, now it's punctured, I guess. All right, all I'm gonna do is put some on here. Oh, like that. Put some on here. Just like that, folks. And then we're gonna apply some pressure. Hold it in place. How long did the instructions say to hold it in place for? Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to clean around here. So what I'm going to do is put some tape on here. Now we're gonna put a little tape on it just to hold it in place. Honestly, it feels like it's already good, but since I'm not driving the car, we are just gonna put some tape on, let it cure overnight. This is just to help keep pressure on the handle. And that is it, folks. Voila, that's how we did it. Well, that's how I did it. So if you ever break off the door handle, don't throw it away. You can just do this. And like I say, I've done this on the driver's side, and it's actually held up pretty good.